Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network and internet related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings up icon. Then go down, select general management, tap here. Go down, select reset. Go down, select reset mobile network settings. So here you can see a reset settings button. Tap on that. Then tap on this reset button. Done. You can see the message network settings reset. Please note that this reset operation will not delete any data from your phone. It just reset the network settings. That way we can reset the wrong configuration. Okay, so after this reset operation, you can check your internet and network. That should work. Okay, so this way we can fix all network and internet related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.